Hey guys, if you drive in the car and you find out your tail light doesn't work, show you if your tail light doesn't work. So I'm gonna show you how to fix that. See, my headlight is on, but the tail light doesn't work. So I'm gonna show you what's the fuse and how to gotta be fixed. The first thing you need a plier, like this one here, and I have to go close to the battery sides and got this plastic cover on the side like that, and you have to remove the fuse box, and the tail light is the top one, the first one. This is what we gotta do, and we gotta go here. Is the first one. There's no place for. There we go. See, the fuse is blown up. So we're gonna do, I have another fuse. We'll have another fuse. There's gotta be 10. Here we go. And we're gonna put on the top. There we go. So let's try now, see how the lamps start working or not. Turn the light on. Here we go, guys. The light is on. See? Easy fix. Easy fix, guys. So after I put the fuse back, the lights work. As soon as I start driving, the fuse go bad again. And what was the issue, guys? I'm gonna show you exactly what was the issue. Stay with me. So the issue I found out, it was this light over here is the line is broke down. See, like that? It's broke. So the other line on the sides, this one here, if you see it, see? It been touching, so they start touching together. This is why I got shorts, and it start like touch, and they blown the fuse again. So I don't have no tape for now. Just make it far away from the place, and you should fix the problem. Yeah, this was the issue. If you have like in future, make sure there's no lights connect together. Anything connect to the tail lights, it will be fix the problem, guys. Okay guys, so I fixed the problem. You see this one here, guys, is off. So this was the problem, was the wire is out. And look on this side, this one is on. So, and my tail lights is working too. My lights is working too. Hopefully it doesn't go bad again. Thank you guys for watching. And please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Like that, we're showing more tricks.